that. Okay, so now I'll put my little gallon piece on the end of it. Got this cut just about right. What I might do is dig the dirt out a little bit and kind of push this down at an angle, have this come over here like that, dump it in there. I probably could have made this a little bit longer, but I didn't. I could twist that on there like that. Maybe I should put my gloves on. The further down I dig, then I can kind of push this down at a slight angle, like that. Now if I wanted to cover this whole thing up, I could come down a little bit further. Let's say, just have that sneak up in there like that. Okay. Put that over like so, and got the bubbler right on there. They have little prongs that you can put in there too, and then hook the end on that, but I don't think I'm going to worry about it. Okay, that's all I'm going to do. Now if a landscaper came out here to do that, chances are, you know, if you have somebody who you're paying to do all your landscaping, your maintenance every week or so, they might do that for nothing for you, or they might say, well, I'm going to have to charge $35 to do that. If you do all your own stuff, you want to call somebody out of the phone book, they come out here, they're probably going to, I don't know how much they're going to charge you, maybe $75 to do that. I ended up getting all these parts, and all these parts I can use for other things. In fact, I haven't done anything in the backyard yet. We just moved into this place, and I'm going to check every single last thing over in here and see what else I need to have done, and different things that need to be capped off, relocated, whatever. Okay? But it's kind of fun to do stuff like this. And I want you to know that any average Joe can do this. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up and I'm going to turn the sprinklers on. In fact, let's go up. Got the automatic sprinkler system box in the garage, and let's see here. It's right up here. And different boxes do different things, but I've got this on auto right now, and I'm not going to change anything. All I have to do is press this button up here, and it will go to different stations. So that's my first station. That's my grass in the front yard. Number 210 is the front yard still. And see, they missed 3 and 4, and they started out with 5. And I think that's the drip irrigation, and it's set for like 15 minutes. See that? There. I think that's the right one. I don't know if it's 5 or 6. We're gonna look at it and see if the water's coming out of it. If it's not number 5, I'll know it's number 6, because there's a little bit of drip in the front yard and back on the side and back here. So if it doesn't go on, it will tell me that it's not number 5, but I'm hearing something. Okay, so far nothing's coming out of there. Come on. Maybe it's just coming. Okay. I can hear it. See anything out of there yet? No, I don't. There, here it comes. Okay. That's 1 gallon per hour. It was just taking a little bit because there was some air in the line. Okay, there, it's working. And you see this tree over here, it's got it right down in there. And this tree has it over here, see right there. And the other trees, see down here underneath where that bush is, right down there. This one's got it. It's running okay. See, that one's going a little bit faster. That's probably 2 gallons per hour. Here, this one, see, it's on the downhill side of the tree. I'm going to end up putting it on the uphill side, so I'll have to rearrange the dirt there and stuff. But for some reason, this one right here is not going, is it? Look at that. And I'm thinking if I just pull that end off, maybe it'll shoot out. That end might be clogged up or something. So if I pull that off, water should shoot out of there. Let's just pull it off and see. And see some, hey, there, look. It started hitting me in my face. So it tells me this tip is blocked. So I think what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to cut that off. Lots of times it's hard to pull just the end off. And if you can't, just take your cutters again. Get the cutters out. I'm gonna cut this end off. See, we know the water's coming, don't we? I'm gonna go shut the water off now. Okay, so I'm gonna go back up there and shut it off. In fact, okay, you gonna come with me again? Okay. See, here's the end. I'm gonna kind of poke a little something down in there. Maybe I can get it unplugged. I'm not sure if I can or not. If not, I've got extra ones of these now, right? I got the 1 gallon per hour. And so now on this, I'm just gonna shut it. I'm gonna press it and that goes to 6, station 6. Then I press it again and it goes to the regular time. I still have this on auto. I don't have to shut it on off or anything. Okay? Boy, those steps, they do a number on me. It's a nice little workout. This could be a 2 gallon per hour. I have no idea. You know, it does have a red dealy bob around it. And the ones I got aren't red. And when I was at the store, I didn't really look to see if they had different ones. You know, I looked at the ones that said 2 gallon per hour. I don't remember it having any red around it like this one here. Okay. And I kind of doubt I'm going to be able to do anything with it. But see, once you get it off the line, then it's easier to take just the tip of this and pull it off with a pair of pliers. Let's see here. I should have cut it just a hair longer. That's what I should have done. Oh, you know what? You could take your pliers and you just pinch on the outside of it, and that should break it off too. I tried that on another one, and it seemed to work. Let's just try it on this one and see if it's gonna work. Nope. There. See, just by pinching that, I've broken the little edge of the pipe bit, and now I can pull that off. See? So, if you had a little needle or something, you might be able to push it in there. And I got a little screwdriver here. I'm not going to spend too much time on this, but if I can't get it to work, obviously I'll just use one of those other ones. Okay. I'll mess around with this for a second and see what I can do. That's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos. And what am I going to talk about next time? I'm not quite sure just yet. It might have something to do with a home inspection before selling a house, or before you are thinking about buying a house, something like that. Keep watching for those on my channel.